You should always be the most expensive HVAC contractor in your area. Here's why. We all know that one company is charging $30,000, $40,000 per job. And the thing is, you and the other big company, you guys are putting in the same amount of time showing up to people's homes and giving an estimate, right? So instead of going to 3 homes and having to close all 3 of them to make $30,000, $40,000 in revenue, get better at your sales, go to 1 home, charge more, close $30,000, $40,000 worth of job, you're making the same amount as a big company, always charge more instead of being the cheapest.